Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to unbox and review the Marvel Studios The Infinity Saga ZD Toys 110 Scale Iron Man Mark 40, also known as Shotgun. So, if you want to get this, punta lang kayo sa Laruanan mga ma'am, sir. Since 2018, Laruanan on Facebook. Pumunta lang kayo sa Laruanan if you want to get this awesome action figure. Marami pang slots na available. So kung gusto niyo makabili, punta lang kayo sa Laruanan on Facebook. Thank you very much Laruanan for sponsoring this video. And binigay niya sa atin tong copy para ma-review natin. Okay? Okay, this is the front of the box. Marvel Studios, the Infinity Saga logo, Marvel logo, ZD Toys logo, 110 scale logo, 110 scale na text. Marvel Studios Iron Man 3 logo, XL Mark 40 sa side. You have the Disney logo and Zongdong Toys. Ang ibig sabihin ng ZD Toys ay Zongdong Toys. Tapos meron kang Disney logo dito. Ibig sabihin ang product na to ay original and authentic. Hindi siya fake, hindi siya KO, hindi siya bootleg. Tapos sa likod, shot of the shotgun, front and back, and other accessories. And barcode, QR code. Tapos sa gilid, Iron Man 3, Marvel Studios, and copyright. Okay? So, magnetic yung flap niya sa left side. Tapos pag binuksan nyo, sa first tray nandito yung action figure, and sa second tray nandun naman lahat ng accessories. So ito na si Iron Man Mark 40 out of the box. Super nice. Very sturdy. Meron siyang mga accessories. Yung mga repulsor blast effects. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a lot of hands. So meron kang open palm, close fist, and repulsor blast na hands. Meron ding hexagonal base na merong Marvel Studios Iron Man 3 na logo. And you have the pole. Spring-loaded yung pole para pwede nyong i-clip si Iron Man for dynamic poses such as these. Alright, one thing to note before we review the overall figure, ito ang kanyang shades. Removable yung shades niya, kaya ingat kayo dito kasi baka mawala. Okay? Pero nakiklip naman siya and very secure naman to. Okay? So pag pinapost niyo lang siya, be very mindful na natatanggal yung kanyang shades. Okay? Ayan. Alright, kakabit lang natin siya. Overall, it has a very nice paint job. Actually, ZD Toys, sobrang galing nila sa paint job. It's a very metallic. Yung silver niya parang nasa